Today I am reviewing the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP3301 SDW. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a reliable, fast, and professional all-in-one printer for your office, the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP3301 SDW is an outstanding choice. Designed for small teams and busy workspaces, this printer combines printing, scanning, and copying with wireless convenience, producing high-quality color documents with professional precision. Let's start with the printing performance. The HP 3301 SDW delivers print speeds of up to 26 pages per minute in both black and color, making it ideal for office environments where time is critical. Whether you're printing reports, presentations, or flyers, each page comes out crisp and vibrant thanks to next-generation TerraJet toner, which produces deeper blacks and richer, more vivid colors that bring your documents to life. This printer uses original HP 218A standard and 218X high-yield toner cartridges, ensuring consistent quality and reliable operation. Using genuine HP toner guarantees professional output, reduces the risk of streaks or smudges, and keeps your printer running smoothly for longer periods. The HP 3301 SDW is more than just a printer. It's a full-featured all-in-one office solution. With scanning, copying, duplex printing, and an automatic document feeder, it handles multi-page documents efficiently. The 250-sheet input tray reduces the need for frequent refills, while the auto duplex feature saves both paper and time, making it a more sustainable choice for your office. Connectivity is simple and flexible. This printer supports wireless printing, which allows multiple devices to connect without cumbersome cables. It's compatible with computers, laptops, and even mobile devices, making printing from anywhere in your office seamless and convenient. The intuitive control panel and user-friendly interface simplify operations, so even those less familiar with technology can print, scan, and copy effortlessly. Reliability is a hallmark of HP printers, and the 3301 SDW is no exception. Known for award-winning durability and consistent performance, it's designed to handle high-volume printing without compromising quality. Each page is produced with accuracy, and the printer is always ready to meet the demands of a busy office environment. HP also maintains firmware updates to keep the printer secure and functioning optimally, ensuring peace of mind for long-term use. In addition to performance, this printer is thoughtfully designed for productivity. Its compact footprint fits easily on office desks or shared workspaces without taking up too much room. The all-in-one functionality reduces the need for multiple devices, saving space, money, and energy while streamlining daily office operations. Overall, the HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP3301 SDW is a professional-grade office printer that delivers speed, quality, and versatility. With its high-quality color printing, efficient duplex and ADF features, and wireless connectivity, it is an excellent investment for small teams, offices, and professionals who demand reliability, performance, and superior print quality. If you want a printer that can keep up with a fast-paced office, produce vivid professional documents, and simplify your daily workflow, the HP 3301 SDW is an ideal choice. From printing reports to scanning important documents and copying multiple pages efficiently, it's a complete all-in-one solution built to meet the needs of modern offices.